Hello and welcome back to Easy Spanish for Real Life. If you completed Part 1 of this course, you already know colors, animals, and body parts. Today we're continuing with Part 2 of the Beginner Spanish course. You'll learn numbers, clothing, and everyday objects. This is a complete course, not random words. Each lesson builds on the last one. I'll teach each word 3 times, and then I'll give you a real example so you can see how to use it. Let's begin Part 2. Number 1. Uno. Uno. Example. I have one book. Tengo un libro. Tengo un libro. Number 2. Dos. Doce. Example. I need 2 chairs. Necesito dos sillas. Necesito 12 sillas. Number 3. Tres. Trace. Example. There are 3 cats. Hay 3 gatos. Hay 3 gatos. Number 4. Cuatro. Cuatro. Example. I see 4 cars. Veo 4 carros. Roll, vai o 4 carros. Number 5. Cinco. Example. I want 5 apples. Quiero 5 manzanas. Quiero 5 manzanas. Number 6. Seis. Example. 6 people are here. 6 personas están aquí. 6 personas están aquí. Number 7. Siete. Example. I work 7 days. Trabajo 7 días. Trabajo 7 días. Number 8. Ocho. Example. The class starts at 8. La clase empieza a las 8. La clase empieza a las 8. Number 9. Nueve. Example. I have $9. Tengo $9. Tengo $9. Number 10. Diez. Example. There are 10 students. Hay 10 estudiantes. Hay 10 estudiantes. Number 11. Shirt. Camisa. Example. I like this blue shirt. Me gusta esta camisa azul. Me gusta esta camisa azul. Number 12. Pants. Pantalones. Pantalones. Example. These pants are new. Estos pantalones son nuevos. Estos pantalones son nuevos. Number 13. Dress. Vestido. Vestido. Example. She wears a red dress. Ella lleva un vestido rojo. Ella va un vestido rojo. Number 14. Shoes. Zapatos. Zapatos. Example. I need new shoes. Necesito zapatos nuevos. Necesito zapatos nuevos. Number 15. Hat, sombrero. Sombrero. Example. The hat is black. El sombrero es negro. El sombrero es negro. Number 16. Jacket, chaqueta, chaqueta. Example. I wear a jacket today. Llevo una chaqueta hoy. Llevo una chaqueta hoy. Number 17. Socks, calcetines, calcetina. Example. My socks are white. Mis calcetines son blancos. Mis calcetines son blancos. Excellent progress. You're halfway through part 2 of the course. Now, if you're enjoying this course, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for part 3 next week. Drop a comment telling me if you completed part 1. Let's continue. Number 18. Door, puerta, puerta. Example. Please close the door. Por favor, cierra la puerta. Por favor, cierra la puerta. Number 19. Window, ventana, ventana. Example. Open the window, please. Abre la ventana, por favor. Abre la ventana, por favor. Number 20. Table, mesa, mesa. Example. The book is on the table. El libro está en la mesa. El libro está en la mesa. Number 21. Chair, silla, silla. Example. Sit in this chair. Siéntate en esta silla. Siéntate en esta silla. Number 22. Bed, cama, cama. Example. My bed is comfortable. Mi cama es cómoda. Mi cama es cómoda. Number 23. Mirror, espejo, espejo. Example. I look in the mirror. Me miro en el espejo. Me miro en el espejo. Number 24. Clock, reloj, reloj. Example. What time is it on the clock? ¿Qué hora es en el reloj? ¿Qué hora es en el reloj? Number 25. lamp, lampara, lahampara. Example, turn on the lamp, enciende la lámpara, enciende la lámpara. Number 26, cup, taza, tasa. Example, I drink coffee in a cup. Bebo café en una taza. Bebo café en una taza. Number 27, plate, plato, plato. Example, the food is on the plate. La comida está en el plato. La comida está en el plato. Number 28, spoon, cuchara, cuchara. Example, I eat soup with the spoon. Como sopa con una cuchara. Como sopa con una cuchara. Number 29, fork, tenedor, tenedor. Example, I need a fork, please. Necesito un tenedor, por favor. Necesito un tenedor, por favor. Number 30, knife, cuchillo, cuchillo. Example, cut with the knife. Corta con el cuchillo. Corta con el cuchillo. Amazing! You've completed part 2 of the beginner Spanish course. Let's review. 1 is uno, 5 is cinco, shirt is camisa, shoes are zapatos, door is puerta, table is mesa, cup is taza, spoon is cuchara. You learned 30 complete words with real examples. You should be so proud of yourself. This isn't just memorizing words. You're building a complete Spanish foundation course by course. Part 1 taught you colors, animals, and body parts. Part 2 taught you numbers, clothing, and household objects. Each course builds your confidence. Here's how to practice. Review Part 1 and Part 2 together. Mix the vocabulary. Make sentences combining both parts. Say, I see a red shirt, or 5 cats are on the table. This is how you become fluent, by connecting everything you learn. Also, get ready for Part 3 next week. We'll learn food vocabulary, restaurant phrases, and ordering in Spanish. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. This is a complete learning path, and you're making incredible progress. Now, before you go, I need 3 things. First, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this course format. It helps more people find this complete Spanish course. Second, subscribe and turn on notifications. Part 3 is coming next week and you don't want to miss it. This is a structured learning path, not random videos. Each course builds on the previous one. Third, comment below and tell me, did you complete Part 1? Are you following the complete course? What topics you want in Part 4? Your feedback shapes this course. Remember, you're not just learning words, you're taking a complete Spanish course. Part 1, colors, animals, body parts. Part 2, numbers, clothing, objects. Part 3, food and restaurants coming soon. This is your path to Spanish fluency, one course at a time. Thank you for being part of this course. Keep practicing Part 1 and Part 2. Use the examples in real life. And I'll see you next week for Part 3. Hasta la próxima. Until next time, keep learning and I'll see you in part 3. Adios.